kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do perimeter and area. Our learning objectives are perimeter of rectangle, square and triangle, area of rectangle, area of parallelogram, area of triangle, circumference of circle, area of circle and area of pathway and borders. In the closed figure, we start from any point to reach the same point by moving along the side and make one complete round. The distance thus covered is called the perimeter of the closed figure. This perimeter is the measure around something. Perimeter of the closed figure is denoted by P. Perimeter को P से denote करते हैं. So first is perimeter of rectangle. Here STUV is a rectangle of length L unit and breadth B unit. So perimeter हो जाएगा L plus B plus L plus B, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal and the perimeter is equal to the sum of all sides. So that is equals to 2L plus B. So perimeter हो जाएगा 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Next is perimeter of a square. EFGH is a square of side A unit. So perimeter A plus A plus A plus A, 4A. So perimeter 4 into side. Next is perimeter of triangle. XYZ is a triangle with the side A, B and C unit. So perimeter हो जाएगा A plus B plus C. So perimeter equals to sum of all side. If the triangle is an equilateral side, triangle है तो side क्या है, वहाँ पे A unit given है. Then perimeter equals to क्या हो जाएगा 3A, because in equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. So perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is 3 into side. Next is area of rectangle. The measurement of the region enclosed by the closed plane figure is called the area. In other words, the space occupied by two-dimensional figure is called the area. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length of rectangle, area upon breadth, and breadth of rectangle, area upon length. Area of square, side into side. Standard unit of area is the meter square or m square. That is the square region. 1 meter long and 1 meter wide. So 1 meter square, that is the area. Smaller unit of area is centimeter square or square region. 1 centimeter long and 1 centimeter wide. 1 centimeter square, that is the area. 1 meter square equals to 1 meter into 1 meter. That is equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. That is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square, that is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Next, know it. Some big unit of the area are following. 1 that is equals to 10 meter into 10 meter, that is 100 meter square. 1 hectare, that is equals to 100 meter into 100 meter, that is 10,000 meter square. Also 1 centimeter square equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, that is equals to 100 millimeter square. Now we'll take an example here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 80 centimeter and breadth is 0.7 meter. So here we have to find the perimeter. Length and breadths are given. So first we'll check the unit. So that is into meter, will convert into centimeter. So multiply by 100, that is equals to 70 centimeter. Now perimeter of the rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth, we'll put the respective value. 2 into 80 plus 70, that is equals to 2 into 150, 300 centimeter. That is the perimeter of given rectangle. Clear? Next is exercise 12.1. Find the area of square plot whose perimeter is 240 meter. So perimeter is given. Perimeter equals to 4 into side. Here perimeter, that is 240. So side will be 240 upon 4. That is 60 meter. That is the side. We have to find the area. Area equals to side into side. That is equals to 60 into 60. 3,600 meters square. That is the area. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Area of a parallelogram. Any side of parallelogram can be chosen as the base of the parallelogram. The perpendicular drawn on that side from the opposite vertex is known as the corresponding height of the parallelogram. Let us consider a parallelogram PQRS with its base is B. The diagonals QS divide it into two triangles, triangle PQS and triangle QRS. In the figure given here, SA is perpendicular to PQ and QB is perpendicular to RS. Here you can see SA, that is perpendicular to PQ. Clear? SA is perpendicular to PQ and QB that is perpendicular to SR or RS. Since PQ is parallel to SR, SA equals to BQ, where it is H unit. PQ equals to RS, that is B unit. Now the area of parallelogram PQRS, that is equals to area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle QRS, because diagonally इसको two triangles में divide कर दिया था. So 1/2 B into H, that is the area of triangle, plus 1/2 B into H. So that is equals to 2 into 1/2 B into H, that is B into H. That is the area of parallelogram. Clear? So area of parallelogram, that is the product of base and altitude. Base of parallelogram area upon height, and height of parallelogram area upon base. Next we will take an example. Find the height if the area of parallelogram is 70 centimeter square and the base is 10 centimeter. So height of parallelogram area upon base 70 upon 10, that is 7 centimeter. Clear? Next is area of a triangle. Consider a triangle in which base and the corresponding altitude or the height is given. Then area of triangle 1/2 base into altitude square unit. In a right triangle, the side other than the hypotenuse is called the legs. Then the area of triangle हो जाएगा 1/2 and product of legs square unit. Let each side of an equilateral triangle be A unit. Then area of equilateral triangle, that is equals to √3 upon 4A square unit. In an isosceles triangle ABC, where BC equals to B unit and AB and AC A unit है, then area of triangle ABC, that is equals to 1/2 into B multiplied by √A square minus B square upon 4 square unit. Next is Harrow's formula. Let A, B and C be the side of triangle ABC. Then S, semi-perimeter, that is equals to 1/2 A plus B plus C. A Greek mathematician, Heron, gave the formula. The area of triangle ABC, that is equals to √S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B and S minus C square unit. Next we will take an example here. Find the area of following triangle. So in first triangle, area will be 1/2 B into H. So 1/2 base हो जाएगा 3.2 centimeter and the height that is given 3 centimeter. So that is equals to 4.8 centimeter square. That is the area. Practice all the example here. Next is exercise 12.2. Find the area of following parallelogram. So we have to find the area of parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. So base is given 2.8 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. So we'll multiply them. 11.2 centimeter square. That is the area of given parallelogram. Clear? Next is circumference of a circle. The length of the boundary of the circle, that is called circumference, or the perimeter of the circular body, that is called circumference. So this is the circumference of the given circle. Next, know it. The number pi, which is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to the diameter, has the long story about the value. In 250 BC, Archimedes was one of the first person to calculate the value of pi by mathematical method. When he worked it out, to be between 3.1408 and 3.1429. It was the advent of the computer, the revolution of pi calculation, when in 1949 the ENIAC computer found the value of pi to 2037 decimal places. Now, although it is not required, computer have calculated the value of pi to the billion of decimal places. Next is relationship or ratio between circumference and diameter of circle. Draw a number of big circles of the different radii. Find their circumference by using the string. Multiply the radius by 2 to get the diameter. Now divide the circumference by the diameter of each case to find the ratio of circumference to diameter. After many experiments, this ratio has been worked out as 3.14 to correct the 3 decimal places, but usually we use the ratio as 3.14 correct to 2 decimal places. This constant ratio is denoted by pi. Its value in fraction is 22/7. If C is the circumference of the circle and D is diameter, then C upon D, that is equals to pi. So C equals to pi D हो जाएगा and C equals to pi D equals to 2r. So pi into 2r, or we can say C equals to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle, that is equals to pi into diameter pi D. Circumference of the circle 2 into pi into radius 2 pi r. Know it. It has been proved that the pi is not a rational number. Some reasonably useful approximate of the pi are 3, 1/7, 22/7, 3.14, 3.1476. Now we'll take an example here. The radius of the circle of pipe is 15 centimeter. What length of the tape is required to wrap once around the pipe? So here pi is given 3.1 centimeter. Length of the tape that is required equal to the circumference of pipe. So length of the tape required 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 15, that is 94.2 centimeter. Clear? Next is area of circle. The plane surface enclosed by a circle is called the area. To find the area of the circle approximately, we can draw the circle on the graph paper by counting the number of square enclosed, taking exact half square as half, more than half as one, complete square leaving less than half. This only rough estimate of the area of circle. On the thick sheet of paper, draw a circle and cut it out. Shade one half of the circle. Now fold the circle into the 8th and cut along the fold. Arrange the separate pieces in the sector, one white and one shade in opposite direction. The shape thus obtained looks thoroughly like a parallelogram. Thus, more sectors we have, the nearer we get the parallelogram. If you divide the circle into 64 sectors, arrange the sector as shown, it gives nearly a rectangle. Clear? The shape of the sectors in both the figures is the same, though not the size. The breadth of the rectangle is the radius of the circle. जो breadth होगी वो किसकी equal होगी? That is equal to the radius of the circle. As the whole circle is divided into 64 sectors, on each side we have 32 sectors. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is the length of 32 sectors. That is the half of circumference. So, area of circle हो जाएगा area of rectangle thus formed, that is equals to length into breadth, half of the circumference into radius. So 1/2 into 2 pi r into r. So area क्या हो जाएगा pi r square. Next, again we'll take an example here. Find the area of the circle whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Radius क्या हो जाएगी 28 divided by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Area of circle pi r square. So put the respectively pi 22/7 into 14 into 14, that is 616 centimeter square. Clear? Next is exercise 12.3. Find the circumference of the circle with the given radius. Take pi as 22/7. So first is 14 millimeter. we have to find the circumference. C equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi we have to take as 22 upon 7 into r will take 14. So 22 into 4, that is 88 mm. That is the circumference. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of pathway and borders. In this section, we shall apply the formula of the area of the rectangle and square to determine the area of the path around, in or outside the rectangle and also the central path. Following example will illustrate the same. So, example item: two crossroads, each of width 4 cm, run at the right angles through the center of the rectangular path of the length 100 meter and breadth 65 meter, parallel to its sides. Find the area of the road. Also find the cost of paving the crossroad at the rate of rupees 120 per meter square. So, solution: area of the crossroad is the area of two rectangle PQRS and EFGH forming the roads. But taking both the rectangles together, the area of central square KLMN is taken twice, so it is to be subtracted once. So, first rectangle PQRS, PQ and PS are given. ठीक है, PQ and that is 4 cm is given. PS 65 meter. PS that is 65. ठीक है, that is the breadth. Now EH that is given 4 meter and EF 100 meter. KL 4 meter and KN 4 meter. Clear? First we will find the area of path. For that, area of rectangle PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH minus this area of square KLMN. So, that is equals to PS into PQ. PS into PQ, that is the area of this rectangle. Clear? Next, plus EH into EF minus KL into KN. So, values रखेंगे and we'll find out what we'll do. We'll this rectangle and this rectangle, we will add their area and subtract the area of the square from it. That is the area of path, that is equals to 644 meters square. Now we have to find the cost of paving the path, that is 120 into 644, that is equals to rupees 77,280. Clear? Next is exercise 12.4. A path of 2 meter wide is built along the border inside the square garden of side 40 meter. Find the area of the path. So, here this is a square A, B, C and D, 40 meter. All side will be 40 square. So, there is a path 2 meter wide. Now, this is PQRS. So, first we will find the area of square ABCD, that is equals to 40 into 40, 1600 meters square. Now, the area of inner square PQRS. Now, the path is 2 meter wide. So, 40 that is the width. 40 width है, 2 यहाँ पे कम होगी, 2 यहाँ पे. So, 40 minus 4 that is 36. Same with length भी 40 minus 4. 2 यहाँ से, 2 यहाँ से. So, that is 36 into 36. That is 1296 meters square. So, area of path क्या हो जाएगा? Area of path, that is equals to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS means 1600 minus 1296, that is 304 meters square. That is the area of path. Next is summary. Perimeter of closed figure is the length of its boundary. The measurement of the region enclosed by the closed plane figure is called its area. Perimeter of rectangle, that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square, 4 into length of the side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of square, side into side. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of triangle, 1 by 2 base into height. The length of the boundary of the circle, that is called circumference. Circumference of the circle, that is equals to 2 pi r, and area of circle pi r square. Next is multiple choice questions. The base and the height of the triangle is 12 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find the area. So area of triangle, that is equals to 1 by 2 b into h, where base and heights are given. So we'll put the respective value. Base, that is 12 meter, and height, that is 8 meter. So area हो जाएगा 48 meter square. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.